It's safe and reliable, and we can afford it. I'll just see if I can find a salesman.
Hey, I'm Doug. Nice to meet you. Whoa, have you lost weight?
No, it's still there. I'm just parking it on the side.
We were more interested in that car over there.
Lois, let me handle this.
Peter, this car has dents in it, and it's got a cardboard steering wheel.
Yeah, just a second, honey.
And look, there's no engine. It just has a drawing of an engine.
But it only had one previous owner. James Bond.
I'll take it. Okay, let's see what this baby can do, huh? Well, I'm sure the dealer will take care of it. Lois, this is crazy. There's no way we're gonna be able to have maritals with you lying all the way over there.
I am very upset with you right now.
Okay, so I tried on your bra. I didn't think I'd make a good Gigi either, but God help me, I was flattered.
Peter, I'm upset because you never listened to me. This is Atlantic City all over again.
You're just mad about the car. Don't worry. I'll think of a way to fix it.
No, we'll think of a way to fix it.